Empowering Transgender to Become Agri-Entrepreneur, a novel initiative by ICAR NRC on Banana. With its unique endeavor for empowering transgender to become agri-entrepreneur with an objective of reaching the unreached, the ICAR National Research Center on Banana, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, organized the 2-day hands-on training program on banana-based entrepreneurial avenues for economic empowerment of transgender in Trichy district of Tamil Nadu from 27th to 28th January 2021. In his inaugural address, the chief guest Dr. Anant Kumar Singh, Deputy Director General, Horticulture Science, ICAR, stressed on the scope of entrepreneurship and government initiatives for a self-help group, need for creating a brand and its promotion for upscaling the marketing. Dr. Singh also assured of maximum support by the ICAR to the different stakeholders for undertaking the small-scale agriculture-based enterprises. Dr. B.K. Pandey, ADG, Horticulture Science, ICAR, briefed about the government's initiative including the cold storage and supply chain management. Dr. Pandey emphasized the empowering the transgender and bringing them into the mainstream by new employment opportunities and self-employment schemes are the ways to ensure income, achieve the real outcome in the current scenario. Sri T.K.V. Rajan, Founder Director, Indian Science Monitor and Indo-Asian Foundation of Archaeological Research, outlined the importance of value addition in bananas being the crop selected under the ODOP scheme. Dr. S. Uma, Director ICAR NRC on banana, emphasized that the initiative will open a plethora of options for the transgender in the years to come. She highlighted the business potential of banana waste like central stems, flowers and peels will be explored. The institute's scientists and their team provided the hands-on training to the participants for preparing the banana flour pickle, central stem juice, low-fat banana chips, prospects of establishing nursery for ornamental banana, and multiplying traditional banana varieties by macro propagation. The participants were also apprised about the banking and funding avenues for converting the training outcome to sustainable business models. The program was a part of the NABARD-funded project of ICAR NRC on banana, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. The program was attended by first batch of 8 transgenders including G. Kojol, President, Safe Transgender Association, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Team Krishi Sanjeevani.